The 2026 Harley-Davidson Road Glide arrives with a silhouette that instantly announces authority. Known for its iconic Sharknose fairing and stretched touring stance, this model continues to define what a long-distance American motorcycle should feel like. The design feels more refined than ever, blending muscular heritage with modern aerodynamic thinking. Every line serves a purpose, from wind deflection to rider comfort, making the Road Glide a machine built not just to be seen, but to be experienced mile after mile. This detailed breakdown is brought to you by Acer Showroom, where premium touring motorcycles meet real-world passion. Design evolution and aerodynamic identity. The fixed frame-mounted fairing remains the soul of the Road Glide, delivering superior stability at highway speeds. For 2026, the fairing profile appears sharper and more sculpted, giving the bike a futuristic edge without abandoning its classic Harley DNA. The dual LED headlamp setup enhances nighttime visibility while adding a bold visual signature. Wide saddlebags, a low-slung body, and premium paint options reinforce the Road Glide's status as a luxury touring motorcycle designed for riders who want presence without compromise. Powertrain and touring performance. At the heart of the 2026 Road Glide is a powerful Milwaukee-Eight engine, tuned for smooth torque delivery and effortless cruising. The engine character focuses on strong low-end and mid-range performance, making overtakes smooth even when fully loaded with luggage and a passenger. Long highway stretches feel relaxed, with minimal vibration reaching the rider thanks to refined engine balancing. This powertrain is not about chasing top speed numbers, but about delivering confidence, control, and that unmistakable Harley-Davidson pulse on every throttle roll. Ride comfort and chassis stability. Touring comfort has always been the Road Glide's strongest trait, and the 2026 model pushes that reputation further. The suspension setup is designed to absorb rough road surfaces while maintaining stability at higher speeds. Whether crossing city roads or open highways, the chassis remains planted and predictable. The riding posture encourages long hours in the saddle, with wide handlebars, forward-set footboards, and a well-cushioned touring seat that reduces fatigue during extended journeys. Technology that enhances the journey. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Road Glide embraces modern touring technology without overwhelming the rider. A large, easy-to-read infotainment display sits at the center of the cockpit, offering navigation, music, connectivity, and bike settings at a glance. Smartphone integration allows seamless access to calls and playlists, while premium audio systems ensure clear sound even at highway speeds. Advanced rider assist features, including traction control and multiple ride modes, provide confidence across changing road and weather conditions. Braking and rider confidence. A touring motorcycle of this size demands strong and reliable braking performance. The Road Glide delivers with high-quality disc brakes and advanced ABS technology. Braking feel remains progressive and controlled, even when carrying extra weight. Cornering confidence is enhanced by electronic rider aids that subtly assist without interfering with the natural riding experience. This balance between mechanical strength and electronic intelligence defines the modern Road Glide philosophy. Long-distance practicality and storage. Practicality is central to the Road Glide's appeal. The hard saddlebags offer generous storage capacity, perfect for multi-day touring or cross-country adventures. The locking system ensures security, while the shape of the bags integrates seamlessly with the bike's overall design. Fuel efficiency improvements in a large fuel tank mean fewer stops and longer stretches between refueling, allowing riders to focus on the road ahead rather than planning constant breaks. Customization and personal expression. Harley-Davidson understands that every rider wants their motorcycle to reflect their personality. The 2026 Road Glide supports extensive customization options, from seats and handlebars to exhaust systems and touring accessories. Riders can tailor the bike for solo adventures or two-up comfort, transforming the Road Glide into a personal touring statement. Acer Showroom highlights how this model becomes more than just a motorcycle, it becomes an extension of the rider's lifestyle. Why the 2026 Road Glide stands out. In a world of advanced touring motorcycles, the Road Glide continues to stand apart by blending emotion with engineering. It offers modern technology without losing the raw, mechanical soul that defines Harley-Davidson. The riding experience feels commanding yet comfortable, powerful yet refined. This balance is what keeps the Road Glide at the top of the touring segment year after year. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Road Glide is not just about traveling long distances, it is about enjoying every mile in comfort, confidence, and unmistakable style. From its aerodynamic fairing to its powerful engine and advanced touring technology, this motorcycle represents the evolution of premium American touring. Acer Showroom presents the Road Glide as a symbol of freedom, endurance, and timeless road dominance built for riders who believe the journey matters just as much as the destination.